Hello, guys. I hope you are good. I hope you are well. So today I'm going to show you how to add Yoko to Bizzmall step by step. So firstly, what I'm going to do is visit bizzmall.co.za. Then I'll scroll down. Then when I scroll down, as you can see down here, we have Yoko integration. So I'll click on that Yoko integration. Then I'll come up here. So it has step by step of how to add Yoko on Bizzmall. So what I'll do is click on this one, visit Yoko. So what it will do, it will just load for just a few seconds, then take me to this page. So once I'm on this page, I will click on get started. So once I click on get started, you'll see that I'm directed to this page. So once I'm in this page, I'll fill in my information and yeah, I'll fill in my information here. So as you can see, guys, I filled in my information. Then what I'll do is I'll click on agree, then go to the next page. So while it's loading, what I'll do is so it will come to this page. So what I will do is I will click on I want to process online payment. Then I will select all of this. Then I'll click on next. But if you have a card machine for your code, just do that, please. Then it says the business URL. So what I'll do is I'll go to Bizzmall and copy this link. Then once I copy this link, I'll post it here. So this is for the online store because I said I want to accept card payments. So also you guys, you can also go to Bizzmall and select the Bizzmall link. Or if you don't want to select the Bizzmall link, what you can do is you can select, yeah, you should select the Bizzmall link, guys. But if you have your own website, just select your own website. Then I'll click on next. Then once I click on next, they say my trading name. So my trading name here is Biz Mall. So this is my trading name, Bizmall. You can put your trading name. Then I'll go to next. Then I'll put my business address. So I'm going to hide my business address for security purposes. So, but this is where you put your business address. Then I'll find you on the next page. So once I finish putting in my business details or my business address, I'll come to this page. So once I'm in this page, you can select one of these, but please make sure that you have the supporting documents of this. So if it's a private P2I Ltd, please have documents. But for now, I'll select self-employed. Self-employed doesn't need documents. So I'll select self-employed and sole trader and click on next. So after I click on next, I'll be redirected to this page. So this page is select the business category. So for now, I'll just select services. Then I'll also select other services. Then I'll go to next. Then it says congratulations, you are signed up. So yeah, let's give it time. Then it will redirect to the correct page. So as you see, it's redirecting me to Yoko page, dashboard this page. This is the Yoko page. So once you are here, you have to click on activate profile. So once you activate your profile, you can QR scan your phone to use your phone to register Yoko, to download the Yoko app and register using the Yoko app. But make sure that once you download the Yoko app, you use the same email and password that you entered when we started the process. So here it will say verify the email. So what I'll do is it will say this. So if you enter the wrong email, you can change the email. Then I'll just say send code. Then you'll see I just received the code. So I just verified my email address by just entering a code. So secondly, it will say verify your identity. So verifying your identity, please use your mobile phone. Please make sure that you have a clear camera. Please make sure that you have a clear, you have data, or you are using Wi-Fi and you have good connection. Then you'll say verify identity. Then once you're clicked on verify and the identity, you need to be the owner and active director to continue. So once I say I'm the director, you enter your ID details, your ID number. This is where you enter your ID number. So guys, once you finished entering your ID, I'll blame my ID number because of I don't want people to steal my ID number. But once you finished entering the ID number, you click on continue. Then you'll get this confirmation pop-up. So once you got this confirmation pop-up, you see I bled in my date of birth because the person can create an ID number using my date of birth. So once you've declared it, then just click on yes. Then it will just ask to scan your face. So right now I'm using my mobile and also the computer, so I'll just say scan my face. So it will ask for permission. So I'll say allow. So as you can see right now, it's saying securing camera feed. So yeah, you see now I'm using uh, my mobile. So this is what I should do. Okay, let me do this. It's a little bit problematic, I know. So what you need to do is let me do this. Then once I'm done, I will continue. So once you finish scanning your face, it will show this. So it says retry verification. So I don't know what happened, but maybe it's my face because I'm not using my mobile camera. I'm just using the computer camera. So yeah, but when on your side, it should be successful. So I will come back when mine is it's successful. So guys, as you can see, it went successful. So it says verify my ID. So right now we'll scan my ID. If you are having an ID card, you will state that you have an ID card. Then if you have an ID book, you will state that you have an ID book. So I'll click on consent and continue. Plus, yeah, as you can see here, I have a green book, smart card, or passport. So I'll just say smart card. Uh, then you can say it's double sided. So since the smart card is double sided, so I'll say my document is double sided. Then I'll say continue. So what I'll do is I have to scan my ID here, the front side. So we'll continue once I finish scanning my ID. So guys, as you can see, it says I need me to scan my face after I scan my ID. So right now I'll scan my face, then I will come back here, then we'll continue. And you'll see, guys, you'll get this saying we are reviewing your profile status, and you see they've successfully reviewed my status. Like in just 1 minute, I'm successfully registered with Yoko. So I'll click on continue. Then here I have to add my residential address. Then I'll say add address. Then I'll add my residential address here. Then we will continue. And please make sure that your residential address matches your bank statement. Because if they don't match, or Yoko won't allow your residential address. So the residential address that you've put here, make sure that is the same residential address that you registered your that you registered your business account with or your account with. So as you can see, I finished submitting my address. Then I'll say submit bank details. So submitting bank details, I'll select the bank here. So select any bank that you use. Currently, I'm using NetBank, so I'll just select the NetBank. Then I'll choose check because it's a business account. Then I'll enter the account number here. So make sure that you enter a valid account number. Make sure you enter a valid account number. That if you are using a savings account, you just click on savings here, then enter an account number. So you can select any bank that you want. Here are all the banks. You can select any bank that you want. Then yeah, we'll just enter the account number. Then you can change this information at a later stage. So once you finish adding your Yoko account and your bank account, you'll get this message. Then you'll say done. Then once you are complete, then you can just say go back there and refresh the page. Just refresh the page. Then after you refresh the page, you will come to sales. Then once you're on sales, you'll come to payment page. Then you'll say activate payment page. Then once the payment page is activated, you'll go back to sales and you come to here, payment gateway. This is important because of once you are inside the payment gateway, this is what we need now. So you are going to go back to Bizzmall. Then if you were here, you will click on. So once you are here, because you click on your portal online, then you click on dashboard here. Then once you click on dashboard, because of I need for this digital next AI, or I can do for this. Now I go to settings. Now go to payment. As you can see, I don't have a payment gateway yet. So what I'll do is I have to go to back to Yoko, take this live public key, copy it, and come here and paste it. So I have to paste this key, and you see after I paste this key, it says payment gateway status live. So it's for public key. So I'll go back to Yoko again and take this live secret key. So this is what I'll take. Then I'll paste live secret key here. Oh, I forgot one thing. I forgot to save that live public key. But for now, I'll save this. Once you add a key, you save it. Then right now, go back and add a live public key again, and come here and paste it here. Then also click save. So once I saved both keys, you can see that my live public key is here, and it's exposed, but it's fine. My live public key is here. Then you can see here they say ready to accept payments. So that means right now I'm ready to accept Yoko payments. Right now I'm fully ready to accept Yoko payments. Then yeah, that's it, guys. That's how you make sure that Yoko is added to your business. So right now, what I'll do is I'll go to browse, I'll go to products, then okay, I'll go to services because mine is a service. So I'll go to services, then I'll select my business, then I'll come here, I'll say view. Then once you see this, so yeah, let me remove this business and let me also um, remove one business again. Let me remove this one also. So once I do enter a date for collection, I'll say 14th. This you can set it as your meeting date also. So if you have a meeting with someone, you need to have a meeting on the 14th. You can set it as a meeting date. So you can say proceed. So as you can see, it says secure payment enabled. So right now, a person can place an order using my the website. So here I'll just enter dummy details. Then once I enter this dummy details, I'll just click on create secure checkout. So once I create secure checkout, guys, this is the bigger thing. You see right now, a person can use their card to pay on Yoko. They can use Google Pay. They can use Apple Pay. they can use either Google Pay or Apple Pay, or either enter their card details. So guys, that's how you add Yoko onto Bizzmall. I know this video is long, it's tutorial, but I hope it assists you and it assists you to add your business account here. Thank you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll meet again tomorrow.